All the videos I looked up doing this were way too long. This is how you charge your pen. This is an iPad Pro 10, okay? That's how you open Clip Studio Paint. You already downloaded. This is how you install brushes. You download your brushes. All you gotta do is double click them. It registers to your palette. It goes to the most basic part right there. Look at that. Your basic brushes right at the bottom. And then now we got buttons. Look. You don't have buttons? We got buttons. Just scroll this out. How do you program it? You see Clip Studio Paint sign over there? You got to click that. And then you click modifying settings. You click it right there. Make sure you get them commands. If you're having issues that it's not working, you got to make sure you do tool specific and general settings. Make sure those settings are right. They're straight. Okay? Oh, then you want to program T1 to 12. Make sure you open up those settings. And then when you click on it, it'll program that one specifically.